He just tipped. He just tipped right over, kid. Dude, you just shot a cage. Oh my god!
You got that on video, right?
Yeah, I got it on.
Holy crap, yeah. Oh my god.
Nice shot, kid.
Yeah.
250 yards.
Oh, that's the longest I've ever shot a deer.
You hammered it, girl.
Wait, that's longer than I shot. That's more dogs than I shot my elk.
Yeah, that's the farthest shot you can make.
Oh, yeah.
Get over here and tell everybody what the heck this happened.
Okay, so it's our first night still. We've been here for a couple hours. We saw a whole bunch of deer. We saw this huge deer over here. Well, it wasn't that big, but it was pretty big. And then he went in, well, he was huge, the first one that we saw. And then he went in the woods and never came back out. But then, like an hour later, another big one came out, like medium sized. So I was gonna shoot him, but then this car came by and it scared all of them back into the woods. So we've just been waiting, no deer out in the field. And then this ginormous buck comes in. And I just barely see him, and then he starts to walk on the edge of the wood line, and he was close enough to where I could shoot him, and I got right behind his front shoulder, and I just pulled that trigger slowly, and then I just remember just hearing a big shot, and I was like, oh my god. And then he ran back, and then he tipped right over, and he is like a tank. He is huge. So this probably, did you get how many points he had?
He's an 8-point. He's a big, tall 8-point.
I've shot an 8-point before. But he's probably the heaviest deer I've ever shot. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited right now.
He's your biggest buck.
He's my first Indiana buck.
Yeah? You just shot your first out-of-state buck, girl?
Woo! I got one. I got one. I got one. Yeah.
Oh my god, honey! Is he big?
Yeah, he's a tank.
Oh my god, I'm so excited!
Got all he is, babe. He's a tall deer. Look at that shot, kid.
It's my first Indiana whitetail.
Is it gonna be your last?
No.
You wanna come back next year?
Oh yeah.
Who are you hunting with?
What?
Who are you hunting with?
My dad.
No, I mean, whose outfitter service is this?
Martin.
Martin with High House Leasing and Outfitting.
Martin with High House Leasing and Outfitter.